Yeah, hopefully you guys can finish before it starts raining.
Look at guys, we're almost finished. Guys, look at this. Oh my god. Roman! Guys, look at Roman's again. He's jumping. Come on, Roman. Hey, hey, hey. Hey guys, look at.
Alright guys, I'm jumping right now. This is crazy. Whoa! Guys, look at this. Who's this? No, this is safe. Honey, say hi. Guys, look at Roman. Papa.
What's up? What are you guys doing? Roman! Do a flip! Come on, Roman.
I want to do that slide.
I think she'd be scared.
Yeah, I know.
That slide looks a little deep.
You want to do that?
I was thinking like,
Come on, Roman. Hey, hey, hey. Come on, Roman. With Roman, he's jumping, guys. Whoa, Roman! Hey, guys, look at my dad. Hey. 2 hours later. Alright guys, so right now my dad is doing the lights for the house.
Yeah, guys, this is kind of dangerous. And
Yeah, he's super high right now,
I don't
guys.
know why I'm doing this. It's so windy. Guys, comment down below if you think this is a good idea. I don't think this is a good idea.
Yeah, I don't
But you know what? I have to do it because I want my house to look pretty.
And guys, look at this. Look, this right here are done already, and those are over there too. And we put this too. We look that for the baby and Orly, so they could like play. Then we put the plant over there, right over there, guys. Then we did that today, and that's it. That's the last one. We're doing the last one. Are you happy that the lights are almost done?
Of course, I can't wait to see them at nighttime. I'm excited.
It's going to look super nice.
Yeah, hopefully you guys can finish before it starts raining.
Yeah, I know, guys. Because it's about to rain. Like in 10 minutes. Look at guys, we're almost finished. Let's go. Alright guys, so we got bad news. It's raining and we couldn't finish doing the lights. Damn, bro, this sucks, guys. Look at this. Right now, I'm gonna put some waters to the fridge just in case, guys. Because I said that today is going to rain super hard. So I'm gonna keep you updated in a little bit. This sucks, guys. We couldn't finish doing the lights. And it's raining super hard. Look. We can. Damn, man. This sucks. For real. Guys, look at this. It's raining worse. Look over there. Let me try to move it. Come on. Look. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god, the pool is going to get flooded, guys. Yo, this is crazy. Oh my god, and guys, and we couldn't do the lights. Maybe tomorrow, guys. Maybe tomorrow we're going to put the lights because we can. And guys, and there's a hurricane coming. I think it's today to Tuesday. Yeah, guys. Oh my god, bro. Look. Oh my god. The next day. Alright guys, so here's the next day. And look at this, guys. Yo, the table was over there.
No, it was right there.
I put it and now it's all... Oh my god, man. Bro, what? Orly. Yeah, this is crazy. Oh my god, look.
It's here.
Yo, what happened here?
No, we gotta fix this.
I don't know how did it happen like that.
We gotta fix it.
Look at that. You guys, that was right here and it ended over there. Nah, that's crazy.
Put this to
Yeah, let's put it over there. Come on. Right here.
That's crazy.
Then let's pick up this too.
Look at the dog.
Oh my god.
Dog.
Okay, at least we pick up everything.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're going to end the video right here. We're going to just pick up a little bit the backyard, guys. So
That's crazy.
that was super crazy, guys. Yesterday was raining the whole day.
The Buddha was lucky. The Buddha.
Yeah, the Buddha was lucky, guys. Alright guys, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Orly ended.
I love you guys. Peace. Boom.